Okay then, year 4, welcome back, lesson 25. You've come a long way. That's the first thing I wanted to say to you guys, all right? You're scaling maths mountains, all right? You're climbing this maths mountain, so well done. If you think about it, if you've been with me since the beginning, this is your 25th lesson, which is absolutely superb. All right, well done. Give yourself a pat on the back. So what I want you to do in today's lesson, I'll make the screen a tiny, or I'll make this page a bit smaller so you can see everything. There you go. So for A, you've got to identify whether the symbol to go in between the numbers is less than or more than. Then B, all right, something else we've done already. How much change do you get from a £5 note? So remember, however much you've spent, count up to £5, and that difference, what you've added on, is your change. And then C, you've got 4 multiplications. So for the first two, 38 times 6, I imagine you would use your column multiplication like that. And for 3 and 4, for C, you need to think about, remember when it's multiples of 10. So for instance, you might say, well, I know that 40 times 30 is whatever it is. And then I need to make my answer 10 times bigger because I've made my 3 10 times bigger. All right, so remember those rules that you need to follow. So let me get rid of that. Okay, so, and if you hear this squeak, apologies, Gweeds is squeaking his toy. Always does it when I'm recording. And because I love him so much, I can't take his toy off him. He's looking at me now like he knows. So pause the screen now. Press play when you're ready to go through the answers. Good luck. All right then, so for A, remember, whether it's less than or more than or greater than, whichever one you want to say, we always eat the larger number. So just make sure that whichever number is larger, you are eating it. Yep. So they are your answers for A, 1 to 6. Eat the larger number and you'll always get the right answer. For the next ones, so we've got how much change do you get from a £5 note. So in my head, I'm going to count up. So for the first one, you would get £1.20 change. For number 2, you would get £2.55 change. For 3, you would get £3.33 change. And for the last one, you would get £4.40. So in my head, I was just counting on up to £5 for each one. And for the next ones, for C, I'm going to do them underneath here. First one, we get 38 times 6. So we get 48 there. 6 3s are 18. Add the 4, sorry. Get 228 for that one. Number 2, 46 times 5. 5 6s are 30. 5 4s are 20. Add the 3, 23, so 230. And then for these ones, so like I said, you might have started with 4 times 3 is 12. Make your 4 10 times bigger, you get 120. Make your 3 10 times bigger, you get 1,200. So well done if you got that one right. And for the next one, if we go straight to 80 times 2, so it's just double 80, isn't it? It's 160. And then I need to make my 2 10 times bigger. So my answer becomes 10 times bigger. So I get 1,600. So there are all your answers. So like I said, be very proud of yourself because you're doing extremely well. And I look forward to seeing you next lesson. Have a great day. Maths is fun.